TableTech offers an innovative software framework to dematerialize all or part of the board game materials in order to facilitate their use. Coupled with a large touchscreen, the TableTech solution is designed to adapt to the largest number of games in collaboration with publishers. Playing the games is made easier thanks to the quick setup of the materials. The ambience and atmosphere is also made more dynamic by multimedia content, such as sound and visual effects, or videos displayed by the software. TableTech is intended for individuals but also for professionals, such as board game associations or theme bars, for example. TableTech, a new experience for your board games.